The simple English future tense is also called the future with will. I will cook dinner. You will cook dinner. He will cook dinner. We will cook dinner. You will cook dinner, plural. They will cook dinner. What you do is you add the word will before the verb. Here's another example. I will drive safely. You will drive safely. She will drive safely. You will drive safely, plural. They will drive safely. I will find out tomorrow. You will find out tomorrow. He will find out tomorrow. We will find out tomorrow. You will find out tomorrow. They will find out tomorrow. I will learn English. You will learn English. She will learn English. We will learn English. You will learn English. They will learn English. I will see excellent results. You will see excellent results. He will see excellent results. We will see excellent results. You will see excellent results. They will see excellent results. I will have fun. You will have fun. He will have fun. We will have fun. You will have fun. They will have fun. I will visit California. You will visit California. She will visit California. We will visit California. You will visit California. They will visit California. I will enjoy the lesson. You will enjoy the lesson. He will enjoy the lesson. We will enjoy the lesson. You will enjoy the lesson. They will enjoy the lesson. I will go shopping. You will go shopping. He will go shopping. We will go shopping. You will go shopping. They will go shopping. I will walk in the park. You will walk in the park. He will walk in the park. We will walk in the park. You will walk in the park. They will walk in the park. I will eat lunch soon. You will eat lunch soon. She will eat lunch soon. We will eat lunch soon. You will eat lunch soon. They will eat lunch soon. I will clean the house. You will clean the house. He will clean the house. We will clean the house. You will clean the house. They will clean the house. I will rake the yard. You will rake the yard. She will rake the yard. We will rake the yard. You will rake the yard. They will rake the yard. I will talk. You will talk. He will talk. We will talk. You will talk. They will talk. I will listen to music. You will listen to music. He will listen to music. We will listen to music. You will listen to music. They will listen to music. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now.